Convert KML file to AutoCAD drawing using ESurvey CAD. Hello everyone. Welcome to this help video on how to convert a Google Earth KML file into an AutoCAD drawing using ESurvey CAD. A KML file can be converted into an AutoCAD drawing in two different ways. Method 1. Using the ESurvey CADD interface, open ESurvey CAD and select KML from the KML menu. Browse and select the KML file that you want to convert into a CAD drawing. ESurvey CAD will process the selected KML file and create the corresponding CAD drawing. Once the conversion is complete, click the Export to CAD button to open the drawing in your preferred CAD editor. Method 2. Using the ESurvey CAD menu in AutoCAD. You can also convert a KML file directly from within AutoCAD. Open your CAD application and select Import KML File from the ESurvey CAD menu. Browse and select the KML file that you want to convert. Click the Convert button, and the KML data will be imported and converted into an AutoCAD drawing. In the next video, you will learn finding latitude and longitude of a point in AutoCAD. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 9449599709. Thank you for watching this video.